Hey guys, welcome back to Excel Shortcut Fundas channel. This is Abhishek Bhatt. Today we are going to learn that how to apply VLOOKUP in Excel. Before learning it, let's understand what is VLOOKUP. So basically VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, which means the VLOOKUP function in Excel finds things in a table or range by row. So here I have taken one small example. Let's suppose this is the master data which contains the employee ID and name. From that master data I want to get the names for particular few employee IDs which I have mentioned here in F column. So now we will see how to apply VLOOKUP formula. So first of all, write down the formula is equal to VLOOKUP, then apply the bracket. Now here you have to select the value, or you have to select the cell against which you want to get the result, or against which you want the value. So here I am selecting employee ID, then enter comma. Now you have to go into the data from where you are going to fetch this information. So we are going to fetch the detail from master data. So here also again select the employee ID. We want the name, so drag it to the name. Select all data. Now the value which we want is in the second column. So after selecting the range, enter comma. Basically the value which you want is in second column, so here we have to enter 2, then again comma 0 and bracket close. Now press the enter. Now simply just copy and paste the formula in each cell. Now here you can see that particular for this employee ID we didn't receive the value. Now let's understand that what is the reason behind it. Here in first cell in G2 cell you can see that range which was selected is B2 to C17. Now in the below cell it's B3 to C18. So basically formula has extended the range in each cell. So to avoid this issue, what we can do, we can use the dollar function. Basically dollar function will freeze the range. So to apply the dollar function, just open the formula, select the value and apply the dollar function here. So I have freeze the range B2 to C17. Now simply just copy paste the value. So you can see that now we are getting the name here. Now after applying the VLOOKUP formula, we have to remove the formula from the cells in which we have applied it. So to remove the VLOOKUP formula, just select the data, simply copy it by Ctrl C, do the right click, go into the paste special, in that select values and press OK. So it will remove the formula from particular cell. So this is how we can use the VLOOKUP. There is one another method also available to apply this formula of VLOOKUP, which I will explain you into the next video, in the upcoming video. So if you have liked this video, then please do not forget to click the like button, and please share this video with your colleagues and friends as much as possible. As well as please do not forget to click on subscribe button. Thank you very much for the watching this video. Have a great learning, guys.